Is email marketing dead? You may have heard of the myth. Social media is replacing email. Most people don't want to share their data online. Millennials don't use email. Some marketing methods are more successful than email marketing. Email marketing is dead. Do not believe these myths. No one is giving up email. Despite the growing popularity of social media, people still love to receive emails from their inbox. Email is not dead, and email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to reach consumers today. Email is not dead. There are more than 5.5 billion email accounts in use worldwide, and the number is growing every year. Additionally, more than half of these email users spend 10 to 60 minutes each week searching for marketing emails. Many people use email than they use social media. According to Pew Research, 92% of adults online use email. This is only 79% of internet users who have social media profiles. Email is undoubtedly more efficient than social media. According to Forrester Research, 90% of emails are delivered to the intended inbox, while only 2% of the company's Facebook followers see the company's posts in the newsfeed. Email is especially important for business, and the average employee works 13 hours per week in their email inbox. According to Pew Research, 6 out of 10 Americans say email is very important to their job performance. Email marketing is not dead. Just as email itself is not dead, so is email marketing. In fact, email marketing is one of the most successful and cost-effective ways to reach your customers. Definitely more effective and efficient than social media marketing. eMarketer compared 81% of retail professionals saying that email marketing is a successful way to attract new customers, while 51% of them think the same about social media. So, email is 40 times more effective attracting new customers than Facebook or Twitter. This is partly because more people read emails from your inbox compared to fewer people watching your social media activity. You are 6 times more likely to see a click in an email campaign than in a tweet and 5 times more likely to see a message in an email than in a Facebook post. According to Marketing Sherpa's report, 72% of respondents surveyed prefer to receive promotional content via email, while only 17% prefer social media such as Facebook feeds. When it comes to sales, email marketing drives more conversions, 66%, than any channel, including social media, online search, and direct mail. The average order value from email sales is more than 3 times higher than on social media. Please watch the next video to learn more. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like for more videos like this.